If It Doesn't Stop Raining by Stephanie Spence. Illustrated by Joelle Murray. It's been raining night and day. The oak tree drums on the roof. Our boots leave oceans by the door. Karim, when can we play? Don't know, Ali, but not today. For 3 days straight, we stare at gray. Muggy windows drip with spray. Homes seem like islands far away. That's how much it rained today. What if it doesn't stop raining? What if? What if the sea becomes our yard? The backlot becomes the bay. Across the street, the dolphins squeak. Beach balls bounce from beak to beak. You can't trick me. The court's just wet. Then who's that playing with our net? It still rains, but there's more to see. More friends to meet. More things to be. At first, it's dark, but then it's bright when mermaids herd plankton at night. We're perfect swimmers, you and I. You can't do this when things are dry. A land-sea party shakes the shop. Dolphins dance, belugas pop. But just as we really start to rock, wait, hear that? The rain, it stopped. The waves roll back. The tide goes down. The whales and squid and fish hop down. Come on, Ali, let's go say bye, quick, before we lose the tide. With boots still damp but spirits high, we run to the pier to wave goodbye. Wait, the rain turned out to be so fun. I'll be bored with just the sun. Back at the store, we sit by the door. Pin-shaped puddles still on the floor. Karim, what if it never rains again? I'm not worried. We'll make new friends.